Viagra.
Perché una volta si usava quello per...
I'm a curious girl who loves food, travel, and adventure. I used to own a restaurant in New York City where living is fast and people never have time to cook. One day, I felt the need to learn more about food and other cultures, so I packed my stuff and took off tripping for food. Today, Italy. After flying 720 minutes, that's 12 hours by plane from New York, I finally arrived at the Leonardo da Vinci International Airport. Also famous for being one of the most delayed airports in delivering your luggage. After touristing the beautiful city of Rome, it was time to go to bed so that I could get up early to travel to the Abruzzo region next day.
La pasta.
There, my friend Gianni Giuliani will be waiting to show me everything about the local food.
Proveniente da Roma Tiburtina e diretto a Pescara Centrale.
Este pa centro es el lugar de los papás o abuelos de Madonna. Y Madonna vino acá en el concierto y se encontró con su familia, era los años 80.
Gianni took me to a traditional night market in Avezzano and we saw the beautiful town of Scano of central Italy. I tried all kinds of local food, a large variety of cured meats, to die for pastries, vegetables, snacks, sweets, and so many other delicious things.
Si chiamano arrosticini.
Pronto? Ugoli, che sta a fare? Invece di venire a Cavezzano sta a
We
mangiare.
even got to meet an expert who showed us how pasta is made with the handmade item they call the guitar.
Si tagliano con questo strumento che si chiama chitarra. Si suona la chitarra.
Bellissimo.
Ok?
Sì,
Anche tu sei bellissimo.
The pasta we bought from the local shop was made to order. In the company of Gianni Giuliani, we now got all the ingredients necessary to prepare a traditional super special dish.
grazie mille.
I met Gianni's mom, Natalina.
Oggi vuol dire la fare i piatti fumanti.
She was such a great host, opening her home, her heart, and her kitchen to show me a few little secrets of the Italian cuisine.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando arrivar, che rubin va la vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.
About an hour and a half later, brothers, sisters, daughters, and children gather around the table to enjoy a good family meal. This was such a beautiful family experience. The food was so delicious, and I can now appreciate so much more sharing the bond over the table.
Everything is about food. That's why food is the heart of Italy.
I feel so inspired, and I can't wait to get to my next destination. See you soon in the next episode, Mallorca.